Hello, this is Sunil Bhutta from Skandar Science Academy. We are going to discuss today the flow chart and easy way to identify the tenses. Tenses are of four types: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. In this lecture, we will discuss the simple form of the tenses and small distribution of changing in English to Urdu and Urdu to English. Now we are going to discuss our first tense, which is present. And present tense is of four types. As we know, indefinite, now the second type is continuous tense. Continuous tense. Then the perfect tense and the perfect continuous tense. Now the second heading is identity. In indefinite tense, there is in Urdu sentence the last words are ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ता हूँ, ती हूँ वगैरह आएगा. First of all, we have discussed that present tense is our four types: indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. We will discuss the identity of present indefinite tense. In Urdu sentences, the last words are ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ता हूँ, ती हूँ वगैरह आएगा. Next, how to change the Urdu sentence into English. The first rule is that first form of verb is used. In other words, फेल की पहली फॉर्म इस्तेमाल होगी. The second rule is that फेल की पहली फॉर्म के साथ ES या S का इजाफा किया जाएगा. These are the two basic rules which are used in the changing of Urdu sentence into English. Then next step is the pattern. Now my dear friends, first of all we have to write the subject in the start of our sentence. As I said that the first part is subject, then little adjustment of first form of verb plus I said that little addition of S or ES will be added, then the object. Then the second sentence will be subject plus do, does plus first form. Not will also added to it because it is entire or negative sentence. Then object. Now the second type of our present tense is present continuous tense. उर्दू के फ़िक्रों में लास्ट पर रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं वगैरह आएगा. सबसे पहले रूल हेल्पिंग वर्ब या जिनको एक्सिलरी वर्ब्स कहा जाता है. फर्स्ट रूल इज़ दैट यूज़ ऑफ auxiliary verb or helping verb, which is, am, and are used. Then the second rule is that first form plus ing is used. Now the formula or pattern is that subject plus is, am, are plus first form plus ing plus object. As usual, subject plus is, am, are plus not first form plus ing, as usual object in the last. As example, in our present continuous tenses, मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. I am going to the school. I am going to the school. Example, I am going to school. In this sentence, I used as a subject, am used as a helping verb, go is the first form plus ing is an addition in continuous tense, so it's become the form of verb. To is the preposition which represent the position or demonstrate and direction toward the school. School is an object. Now the present perfect tense, their identity is that in the last of the Urdu sentence, the word चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं, या फिर चुका हूँ, चुकी हूँ वगैरह आएगा. Now the changing will be third form of verb is used. Third form of verb is used. This is the first rule, and the second rule is that has and have are used as helping verb. The other word used for the helping verb is auxiliary verbs. Now we are going to the structure or the pattern of the formula is that subject plus has have plus third form plus object. Subject plus has, have plus not for the negative sentence, not, third form plus object. Now the example is that मैं अपना काम ख़त्म कर चुका हूँ. I have finished my work. मैं अपना काम ख़त्म कर चुका हूँ. I used as a subject, have as helping verb, finished third form of verb, my work used as object. Now the fourth and last stage of our now रहा है in the last of the Urdu sentence रहा है, रहे हैं. This sentence is familiar or similar to the present continuous tense. Now the changing pattern is that has, have plus being plus first form plus ing will be used. Perfect tense can distribute the has and have presence. And first form plus ing is come from the tense of continuous. Continuous tense distribute its first form plus ing, and present tense is distribute its third has have as helping verbs. Now the structure or pattern will become is that subject plus has, have plus first form plus ing plus object. The time may also be used for this since for time is just demonstrate the time plus time. This thing will come in special cases. This is all the pattern which can help you in the distribution of tenses in lower classes and higher classes. Thank you for watching our lecture. If something is ignored by me, then you can ask and tell me on the